What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on FTX token FTT, which has pumped up nearly 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $4.15. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? As you guys can see, CoinMarketCap do have a warning message here saying the FTX bankruptcy proceedings are underway. The FTT token no longer has any use and may be liquidated by the estate to pay creditors. Please proceed with caution. So those of you guys who are not aware, this is a major warning for you guys who are still investing into the crypto. So make sure your risk management is on point, because it basically says it may be liquidated. However, even if it does not get liquidated, we're going to be looking at its predictions and so on, but we're going to be looking at why could it get liquidated and why there's a possibility that it can survive as well. And we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view on what is the best thing to do right now. Pretty sure not many of you guys do want to invest into the crypto after hearing this news. Maybe you already heard about it and are looking to sell it, and again, the trading volume has gone up, so I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of you guys are selling the crypto right now as it is pumping and is saying that it's going to get liquidated. So it makes sense to sell it, but yeah, we'll get through all of that later on in the video. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So Coinbase is also giving us warnings. FTX token is not available for trading on the Coinbase exchange. FTT is experiencing extreme volatility. Proceed with caution. So yeah, warnings on all exchanges. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart, and we're going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of FTX token, which is here in purple at $2.86. However, it is still trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $4.13, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from FTX token over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect this crypto to be hovering around the $4 mark is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. But again, that doesn't mean that it's not going to pump up anymore. It is likely to pump up to around $4.50, just above that target, before it slowly starts to drop back down to $4 towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So do expect an overall minimal decrease in value from FTX token over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So according to a graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected from FTX token over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say over the next week or so, an overall increase is expected. However, the graph does not know about the proceedings that are ongoing at the moment, so it's not going to be as accurate. So guys, over the next week or so, so by mid next week, I'm expecting FTX token to have gone for an overall drop in value, potentially dropping below $3 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. You can consider that as quite of a major drop in value, because after that I'm expecting it to slowly start to drop even more than $3, potentially down to about $1 or $2 over the coming weeks towards the end of the year and early next year as well after hearing this. But again, we are going to see the odd days where it's going to pump up in value, hit a green candle here and there like it is today, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side at the moment, unless the founders of FTX token do come up with a plan to save it, or an upgrade or an update that can have a potential positive impact on the crypto. Then of course these will change, but nothing like that is predicted as of yet. And if I am able to predict such thing, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and I'm not expecting FTX token to head out from the red zone anytime soon. So more than likely we are gonna just keep dropping in value over the coming weeks and months as well, potentially dropping below the dollar mark by Q1 of 2024 is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 500%, making it $365 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. And I'm presuming a lot of people are selling rather than buying the crypto, because again, after reading this, I'm not exactly sure how many of you guys would want to risk investing into the crypto, especially that it's pumping right now. I'm expecting a lot of people to be selling their FTX token, but for me, myself anyway, I don't own this crypto, so yeah, I wouldn't definitely not buying it at the moment, but I got nothing to sell, so obviously I'm not selling. So what is the best option to do right now? Definitely not buy it, even if it's not getting liquidated right now. It is overvalued, so I wouldn't invest into it anyway. But from the seller's point of view, guys, I would probably sell most of it right now. If I had $1,000 in it, I would probably sell about 70 to 80% worth of it and keep the remaining, just so that in case it does pump up in value, then I still have some investment into it. But I've taken out majority of my investment and profit as well. And again, I would only sell crypto if it is on a profit, but in this case it is slightly different, because it does have the chance to go to zero. I would at least take about 60% out, even if I was on a loss, because obviously that loss may turn into a bigger loss if it does manage to drop all the way down. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your predictions on this crypto. Do you guys think it's going back to zero, or is it gonna recover and pump back up in value, potentially hitting $10-15 over the next couple of months? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.